How to add a new product in Shopee. In this video, you will learn the 5 key steps to ensure that your listing is optimized for search engines and attract potential customers. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the best tips that will help you when you start selling in Shopee. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ko pa lang sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! When it comes to adding a new product in Shopee, there are steps that you need to follow to ensure that your listing is optimized on search engine and attracts potential customers. Here's a guide on how to add your new product in Shopee. Number 1 is conduct keyword research before creating your product listing. Conduct a keyword research to identify relevant and high-ranking keywords that potential customers are searching for on Shopee. Number 2 is optimize your product title. Your product title is the most important part of your listing, as it directly impacts your search ranking and click-through rates. Make sure your title is clear, concise, and includes your primary keywords. Avoid using vague or generic titles that do not clearly describe your product. Number 3 is write a compelling product description. Your product description should provide detailed information about your product and its features. Use bullet points and clear headings to make it easy to read. Be sure to include your keywords throughout the description, but avoid overusing them, as this can be seen as spammy and harm to your search ranking. Number 4 is use high-quality product images and videos. Including high-quality product images and videos is essential to showcase your product and attract potential customers. Use clear and well-lit images that accurately depict your product and include videos that demonstrate how your product works. Number 5 is add relevant product tags. Product tags are keywords that help Shopee categorize your product. By following these simple steps, you can create and optimize your product listing in Shopee. Now I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how to create or how to add a new product in your Shopee store. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to add a new product in your Shopee store. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.